Hello, I'm Gil Garcia, Sales Manager, Electronic Division for 4B USA. Before we get started, please make sure you have the following items. All 4B product manuals are available at go4b.com. Do not introduce product during commissioning and testing. Start the machine. Observe the temperature on the screen. Apply a thin coat of cold spray onto and around the sensor housing. Observe the temperature is reduced. We find that many installations are not labeled correctly, causing serious issues. Now for testing, the most important step. Testing should be done as often as practical, but at a minimum, annually. Loosen the compression nut and remove the probe. Turn on the ADB tester and set the trip temperature required. After a minute, observe that the temperature on the plant PLC screen is increasing. Check that all alarms and shutdowns work as expected. Reinstall the probe and tighten up the compression fitting and seal-tight fittings. You are now protecting your investment with the ADB bearing temperature probe, and you can be confident that your monitoring system will operate and perform as expected. Check out our next video for the most common technical support questions regarding the ADB bearing temperature sensor.